Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Cody. Last video we went over how to scout your fishing trips. Alright, we covered how to go over the weather, the barometric pressure, and everything else to make your fish trip the best it could be. So, in this video we're going to jump into the equipment that I'm going to be taking on Saturday. Also, just to let you guys know, the reservoir that we picked out is actually closed. Go figure, right? So we're going to be going down to Penrose, Colorado, Brush Hollow Lake. Supposedly really good, so we're going to check it out, right? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, guys, so what we have here is a 6 foot, 6 ounce, lightweight, light power action rod by Quantum. I really like this rod for fighting bass. It's really fun. A lot of you are probably asking, why not medium heavy? Medium heavy is better. There are obviously better applications for this. I'm going to be doing a lot of crankbaits with this. I'm going to be doing a lot of drop shots and Texas rigging. I like light action for that because I can really feel everything in the light action. The lightweight really makes it to where I can feel everything. Makes it a lot better. What we have here is the Quantum OP20 with a gear ratio of 5.3 to 1, 3 bearings. I really like this. It allows me to use crankbaits, drop shots a lot better with the low ratio. So it's not the best setup ever, but I definitely like this for what we're going to be doing on Saturday. I might bring a medium heavy rod as well, but we'll see. If I do, I'll let you guys know. So, alright, well that is about it for the rod. Oh yeah, this is graphite. If you want to pick up this combo here, I got it from Sportsman Warehouse, guys. It costs 40 bucks. And it's done literally everything I've ever needed to do without any real problems yet. So, we'll see. I'll keep you updated as we use it a lot more. And we start really breaking her in, and we'll see what happens, right guys? So let's jump into the tackle. Alright guys, so here we are looking at terminal tackle. I just used these Bass Pro Shop storage pins. It's really good, does exactly what I need it to do, okay? So for drop shotting, this is what I like to use. It's nothing crazy. Right there. Great little hook for drop shotting. Makes it easy, makes it light. You can really definitely tear them up with that. I use that one, and then when I need to, I can go up in weight, or size rather, to the, right here, the size 4s. These work great as well. They're from Eagle Claw. I haven't had a problem with them not being sharp enough, not being able to set the hooks right. I've not had any issues with these yet. Alright, the next hooks that I use is going to be for Texas rigging. This is a 2-aught 5-pack by Magna. Again, not had any issues with these setting the hooks. Really not having problems with sharpness or the hooks staying on. And then same exact style hook, same exact brand, but these are 3-aught. Alright guys, now we're going to move on to the weights. I have right here, I got your basic 1/8 ounce split shot weights. See if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure all of you know what this is. Just your basic 1/8 ounce. And then I have the 1/8 ounce bullet weight. Again, pretty sure all of you guys know exactly what that one is. So far I haven't had any problems with this weights. I know I'm going to need to go up, but that's something that we will jump into later on if we see the need arising. So for right now, let's jump into the lures that I'm going to use. Alright guys, so what we have right here is your basic spinner, your basic Colorado bladed spinner. Right here, the Colorado is going to be the teardrop spinners on them. Right, we have the 1/2 ounce. And right beside her, we have the 1/8 ounce. I don't know the brands on those guys. I got them from Walmart for $1 a piece, but right now they haven't worked terribly. Alright, moving on, we have our Rooster Tails, pink and black. Alright, this is going to be your 1/8 ounce See if you guys can see that. We have another Rooster Tail here, 1/8 ounce, white black, with a silver spinner on it. Next is going to be moving on to the 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce, pink, with a silver on it right there. These are Rooster Tail as well. I usually go with Pampa Martin, but these I got as a gift, so here we are. And then moving on to, I actually don't know what style this is, guys. If anyone knows the style there, let me know. It's got some green and pinks in it, so there we go. It's got the silver blade and the green little trailer there. And then last but not least, on the Rooster Tails, we got the white and silver. And moving on to the gold at this point, guys, is going to be your jig. This is going to be your football jig in green pumpkin, and then I have a green pumpkin trailer crawfish right there. And this is the 1/2 ounce, by the way, guys. Let's see if I can. There we go. I'm gonna have 2 of those come with me, and then I have replacement trailers. But this actually has, if you look right there, it actually hooks onto the, you can see that, it actually hooks onto the end of the trailer, so you don't lose your trailer nearly as much. And I don't remember the brands of these. I got them from Bass Pro. They were $6 a piece, I believe. $6 a piece, so not bad there. Alright guys, moving on to the crankbaits. I have the Rapala. I'm pretty sure someone's going to correct me on that. That's okay though. Alright, I have the Bluegill in 3/16 ounce. So there's that. Alright. Oh, this is going to be a shallow diver. I know I said that we need to fish a little deeper because of the heat, time of year, the barometric pressure. But we're going in the morning instead of at night. I might end up going at night depending on how the morning treats us, so it's going to be a little bit cooler. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If this doesn't work, we all know the jigs are going to, so we're good there. And then last but not least, one more Rapala. There's that. And again, I do not remember the color that this is in. It was a gift, so I just threw the package away. Shouldn't have done that. But there's that. And this is also a shallow diver as well. And yeah, guys, this is what we have going on for the baits we're going to be taking. Then our soft plastics, we're going to tackle those in a minute for Texas rig and drop shot and stuff. So, alright, so let's jump right into that then. Alright guys, here we are with the last, but certainly not least, soft baits. I got a lot of worms in here, got a lot of, right here, this is going to be your, I believe these are Kinlands? Callan's grubs, right there. Make sure you can see that. Alright. Next is going to be the trailers that we showed. It's green pumpkin with blue fur flakes, 3 inches, right there. Again, these are your net bait. Got them at Bass Pro. Wasn't much. I think these were on sale actually, guys, for, I think this was $4 for this pack. $3 or $4. Don't quote me on that though. Moving on to our Bass Pro Cincos. This is going to be in Green Pumpkin Magic. So it's going to be green pumpkin with the orange and black flakes. And I know these were on sale, buy 2 get 1 free. So if you guys are around the Bass Pro, go grab you some. Next we got watermelon seed. It's going to be your watermelon with the black flakes. Again, this is the Bass Pro brand. But last but certainly not least, got one of my favorite ones is going to be green pumpkin seed, right there. I apologize. I don't think I told you the size of this. This is 4.5. These are 4.5 as well. No, 4 1/4. And then the Cinco, the Green Pumpkin Magic, is also 4 1/4. Alright, your grubs are going to be 4-inch. I do not remember the color of this. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's their variant of a some kind of pumpkin, but I'm probably wrong. And then the trailers for the rigs are going to be 3-inch. I think I covered that. But alright guys, so that is what I'm taking. Alright guys, so this is the plan of action. We're going to leave the house about 4 o'clock. Obviously I'm going to film some with the phone here. I'm going to take the Nikon. We'll see what happens there. Try to get you guys some good videos, some good pictures. Go get breakfast and then head down to Penrose. Get there about 6:37. Hit the lake. Start casting out, guys. We're going to probably start with the crankbaits first, then transition to the jigs, depending on what's working. You guys get to meet the wife and kids. That's going to be great. The kids are probably going to catch on more than I do because they're substantially better at this than I am. It is what it is. They had a great teacher, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that like button, leave a comment about what you liked. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Hit that dislike button and leave us a comment what we can do better to bring you better content in the future. You guys are watching this on the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July everyone. Hope you're having a great time with your family. Get outside guys, take your family out, take a kid fishing. It's really important to them. I know it's impacted my life greatly. The outdoors itself is absolutely very therapeutic and amazing. So get out there guys, have some fun, have an amazing 4th of July, and I will see you on Saturday.